ang gwapo mo dyan. Sana kaya yung ano. Inimagine ko na una na sila. Ha? Ay, ba't tumahabol? Stop over muna kami. Kain kami rito ni Ate Sen. So, kamusta yung food? Charis. Ay, may papa. Ay, may kambing. Sige lang, naka-video naman. Naka-video na. Sige lang, naka-video naman. Wala, may bago na siyang ano.
Nagdala.
Magbabago na siya ng profile. Libo na raw siya ngayon for this video. Magpili ka na lang ng pag-picture mong motor mamaya rito.
Kiniya yung motor.
Wala na self-read. Oh. Masarap naman yung kinakain na. Kasi may mga tao rito. I-blurred na lang natin sila mamaya. I-blurred na lang natin sila. Kailangan na ano. Ganda ha. Sa likod. Kailan? Ngayon si Sen, pabalik-balik siya.
Akala ko kasi okay na yung kailangan pa pag
Hindi naman. Where are you from, sister?
I'm from Puerto
Puerto Rico.
Rico.
You have been assigned here as a missionary?
No, I'm with the humanitarian group.
Okay.
Yeah, from a school from Utah.
So you have
Nice to meet you, sister. Yeah, nice. What's your name, sister? I'm Lindsay.
Lindsay.
My name is Zen. Zen? Cool.
We're from Philippines.
Alright, well, I'm still
How old are you, sister?
I'm 24.
Oh, 94.
Yes. How far away are you guys from this temple?
It's about an hour. An hour from
that's not
here.
too far. That's really
Saan ka
cool.
tumutuloy ngayon? Ay,
Where are you, Anna?
Huh?
You know how to speak Tagalog?
No. I know a bit of Spanish, but not Tagalog.
Spanish.
Yeah, it's a little similar at times.
No, bread.
Yeah. but
Spanish
not-
bread.
Uh-huh.
Where are you staying here?
I don't know. It's like 2 hours from here. Near like Angeles.
Angeles,
Yeah.
Pampanga. It's
Yeah,
from
somewhere around there. I don't know exactly, but we really love it. So.
Yeah,
Matagal na siya sa Pilipinas.
it's been 2 days. Ay, hindi no.
How long you been here in the Philippines, sister?
We just got here yesterday. On Wednesday.
Yes.
Hanggang how long you stay here?
We're here till next Saturday.
Next Saturday.
So we're here for like 9 days or something. So yeah, we're doing like humanitarian work for different schools and stuff. So we decided we would go to the temple for a little bit.
Yeah.
And then,
Yeah, we've really loved it so far. I like the heat, so I like it.
We hate it. Yeah.
I love it. But in Puerto Rico, it's this hot too. So
Oh, really?
I'm used to it. Yeah, but most of our school's from Utah in the States, and it's really cold in Utah. So everyone's like this because it's really warm. But we really like it. So it was good to meet you guys though.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Take care, sisters.
take care.
Yeah, of course.
Namatay na siya.
Biberte ko sana English lang eh.
Nahirapan ka, di ba? Huwag ka na mag-afam.
Kaya ko naman.
Huwag ka na mag-afam.
Medyo nervous lang ako.
So ito po, tapos na po kami mag-pizza. So dalawa po yung rep namin actually. Hindi ko alam ba nabuksan. So uwi na kami guys. Oy mga afam. The afam is here. Charis! Pag naging afam sila, hindi naman sila mga American. Wala kasing masyadong na-assign na mga foreigner sa atin eh.
Huwag naman.
Ipaprank natin itong ano. Uwi na ba tayo? So, ito yung ano niya kapag di niya pasuot, pero pag suot niya ang gwapo, di ba? Kaya para lagi na lang siyang ganyan. Bigyan na lang natin para ano.
Salamat sa pag-ibig.
Oh, ito oh.